Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CBL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis, I believe, last week, so that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels pertain, but they're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right there at $1.31 is one of the newest areas of support. And what I would call the ideal level, when we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would definitely be if the price can stay above $1.31. With that being said, if the price falls below it, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be a great sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the 50-period simple moving average comes into play. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.31 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Initial level of resistance is just simply where the party finally stopped today, and that was right up there at $1.45. After $1.45, if that can be broken, then the next key battleground to watch, right up there at that former area of support, which sits right up around $1.55, give or take a couple pennies. But really, resistance levels don't matter. I think I've said this before. What matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here, just building those higher bases. So as long as those higher bases are built, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, so as long as the stair steps are constructed in the upwards direction, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.